Hello Royal family, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're new, welcome. Now today's vlog video is the October color series Tablescape. If that sounds interesting to you, keep watching. Please don't forget Royal family, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, now this October color series is hosted by Maryland Cozy Lifestyle and co-hosted by myself, Tammy Glam Queen of Decor, and Penny from Penny's Lifestyle Living. Now Maryland has a lifestyle home decor channel. You'll get a lot of home decor inspiration. She does a little bit of exercise, tablescape, cooking. She is your go-to channel for your everyday needs. Her link is in my description. And Penny's Lifestyle Living is also a lifestyle channel. She does lifestyle. She does tablescapes. I hope you were truly inspired by my October color series Tablescape. Please don't forget to make sure you go over and check out Maryland's Cozy Lifestyle. The link is in my description, along with Penny's Lifestyle Living. That is in my description as well. You guys have a blessed and wonderful weekend.